concrete repair and replacement project along the Stockyards Expressway will begin on September 2nd. Motorists traveling in the area of Lower Lake Road and Bluffview Drive may want to allow for some extra time for their commute. Traffic will remain open, but will be reduced to 2 lanes during the repairs. The lane closures are expected to last about a month, and drivers are asked to use caution and exercise patience during the repair process, as several large employers like Nestle Purina, Allball, Triumph Foods, and Daly's Premium Meats are located in that area.